Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Government channel. So this is the form filling video for Indian Bank Recruitment 2022. I hope you watched the notification video, but if you didn't watch that, then definitely in the comment section you will get to watch that video. Okay. So this is the post for assistant manager, salary will be 6.3 lakh per annum. And now in this video I will show you how you can properly fill the form for the assistant manager Indian Bank Recruitment 2022. Okay. A form last date is 14th of June. So let's start our video. Before that, what documents you require? So your SSC mark sheet, 12 diploma, bachelor, master. Okay, mark sheet just carry with yourself. Photo you need to upload, which should be recent photo, and signature in black ink on white paper. Okay. So when you will click on the link which I am giving in the comment section, this page will get open. Okay, just click here for new registration. So first fill basic details. Okay, that is your first name. Again confirm that first name. Middle name, again confirm that, and last name, again confirm that. Okay. The important note is that this first name, middle name, and last name should be as per your SSC mark sheet only. Okay, very important. Otherwise, they will reject you in the DV. Then enter your mobile number. Again, confirm it. Okay, if you have alternate mobile number, then also you can enter, because full communication they will do with the help of this through these two numbers. Then enter email ID, which should be active. Again, confirm that email ID and just enter your security code and click on save and next button. Okay, so after next, hardly in 1 minute you will get your password and your registration number on your registered email ID as well as on your message, okay, of mobile number. Now upload your photograph, which should be recent. Okay, and click on I confirm. Again upload your signature and confirm that. Okay, and then click on next button. The most important, our post is assistant manager industrial development officer. Okay, that is post code 19. So just carefully select that post only. Then select your category, whether unreserved, EWS, OBC. Okay, so suppose I select OBC, then here you will get information about your non-criminal certificate. Okay, and also in your central government list of category, your category name should be there. Okay, for SC also same, for EWS also same, that is you should have certificate. Okay, then if you are PWD candidate, then click on yes button. Here you need to select your type of disability. Okay, if you select suppose VI, then you to enter type. Okay, like that. If you are not PWD, then just simply click on no button, so you don't need to fill this but type of information. Again, for PWD candidate there is compensated time. Okay, then are you suffering from this? So all these fields are for PWD candidates. Are you a child or family member of those who died in rights? So if yes, then click on yes button, otherwise no. Okay, religion, so just select your religion. Then minority community, if you are minority, then definitely you can click yes button, otherwise no. Okay, then ex-serviceman, if you are ex-serviceman, just click on yes button. Here you need to select your service tenure and have you joined any government service. Okay, so this information they want from you, otherwise if you are not ex-serviceman, then click on no button. Then you are in citizenship, okay, Indian. If you not, other you can select, okay, that you can mention. Then your state, now here is very important, just select your state for your examination. Okay, then you will get here exam center list. So you can see for Maharashtra only 4 centers are there. Okay, likewise for every state you can see the centers. For Madhya Pradesh also Bhopal is only there. Okay, so likewise you can see other centers. For Karnataka, Bangalore and Hubli. For Kerala it is Kochi and Tiruvannamalai. Okay, and now select your date of birth. Okay, here you will select date, month and year. You can see automatically they will calculate for you, so no need to calculate as well, because age limit cutoff date is 1st January 2022. Okay, gender, select your gender carefully. Then do you have twin brother sister? If have, yes. Okay, what is the name of that, name of your brother sister? Gender of your brother or sister. Okay, you need to select like this. Other, if you don't have twin brother or sister, then simply click on no button. Then your marital status, so just select here marital status. Okay, now father's name and mother's name, so it should be also as per your SSC only, SSC mark sheet only. Okay, or SSC certificate only. Next, select, enter your address here. Okay, select your district, and in state you can see just select your state and enter pin code. Okay, and if this address is same as your correspondence or permanent address, then just click on this button, so that all the information of this information will get populate here. Okay, automatically. Then choose the address for GST invoicing, so just you can choose any address. Okay, you can see application fee here, just click on 7x button. Now the next information, that is our qualification, education qualification, we will select. So first select here graduation. Okay, so what is your graduation, you can select here. So you can see, okay, about your qualification. So just those who are from electronics communication, select electronics. Okay, electronic instrumentation also you can select electronics, and depending on your branch you can select this. Okay, next, date of passing, so just select your date of passing here. percentage of marks, okay, so that thing is required, then first class. Okay, if you have post graduation ME MTech, then you can enter. Okay, professional qualification if you have, then also you can enter. Any certificate you have, you can enter here. Okay, so this is the additional information. So if you want, you can give, otherwise just skip this part. Next, if you have any work experience, okay, just enter here. Obviously it will not give you any advantage for to you, but still in interview definitely it will give little advantage, okay, for interview, because CBT plus interview is there. So I will suggest those who have experience, any kind of experience, just enter or mention your experience here. Okay, next, enter your language known. Okay, so just whatever language you know, just enter here name and just select check boxes of read, write, speak, okay, depending on you, and just click on save and next button. Okay, so now this is your preview of your form. Just scroll down and just click on I agree. Okay, just first verify all the details which you enter security code and click on complete registration. Okay, next and last step is your payment. So just click for which payment method you want to use. Okay, either BillDex or Paytm. So you can choose Paytm also or BillDex also. Okay, so I am just click on BillDex and just I enter security code, again click on submit button. Okay, so these are the payment modes by which you can do the payment. Okay, it is debit card you can use, internet banking is there, QR code is there, and UPI is there. So now this is the complete procedure that how to fill Indian Bank Assistant Manager form. If you have any query, any doubt, okay, then definitely just comment down below. I will help you in that, and then only you can just go to fill the form. Okay, don't fill the form blindly, because here if you commit any single mistake, definitely you will suffer in document verification. Okay, so be careful, and if you have any query, any doubt, you can comment down below or you can DM me on Instagram also. All the best.